I've always wanted to come to the sand dunes in Monterey, so now I actually have the chance. I think it's called like the Fort Ord sand dunes actually, so I'm gonna come check it out. I got my Avata with me, so maybe, just maybe, we can fly the drone here. We're almost there. Okay, so I was hoping to look really cool standing up there to fly the drone, but it is so windy up here. However, when I'm down at the beach, there's like no wind at all. So I think my threshold for the height of flying would be like 10 feet and below. As soon as I get up to the dune, there's like the rising effect and it just makes everything super windy up there. So I gotta be careful and not bring the drone too high. So I still want to get a shot, but I think I'm gonna try to do like very low flying, you know, along the dunes kind of shot. So wish me luck.